I recently came across a fascinating study that found that 92% of successful people credit their achievements to their morning routine. That's right, what you do first thing in the morning can literally make or break your success. Today, I'm going to share the exact morning routine that helped me hit my first 100K and how it can help you reach your goals faster. So stick around until the end to learn the habits that made a real difference for me and how you can start implementing them tomorrow. We'll go through my full routine, how it's evolved over time and how it's played a huge role in my success. Plus, I'll give you some practical tips to start building your own routine tomorrow. In my experience, morning routines are critical. And by starting your day with intention and structure, you build momentum and set yourself up for success. But honestly, I didn't always have a good relationship with morning routines, probably like most of us. I used to live reactively without prioritizing any kind of routine. I just, wake up, make breakfast, have a coffee and head out the door. And over time, I realized that living this life, my days were unpredictable, some good, some bad, and my energy levels were inconsistent. I was not really getting the most out of each day. That's when I started looking for ways to improve my energy and work on myself every day. And that's when I discovered morning routines. At first, it was tough to put everything I wanted into the routine, so I started small, 5 minutes of meditation, and then I added reading. I experimented a lot with the order of things to see what worked best for me, and it took time to really figure it out. As my career progressed, I realized that having a solid morning routine was a game changer. It boosted my productivity, sharpened my focus, and helped me hit my goals. So now I'm excited to share the routine that made such a big difference in my life, and I truly hope it can do the same for you. The first thing I do when I wake up is hydrate. I start my day by drinking a big glass of water. What works for me is prepping a full glass before bed and then drinking it first thing in the morning at room temperature. It helps me wake up my brain and kickstart my metabolism. Staying hydrated is key for keeping energy and focus sharp throughout the day. The average adult body is over 50% of water, so it's no surprise that hydration plays a big role in everything: sleep, energy, focus. Yet it's something we tend to overlook. Then journaling is key in my morning routine. I use Notion to jot down my dreams, what I want to accomplish that day, and my top priorities. In a nutshell, it helps me stay organized and laser focused on my goals. And overall, journaling gives you a mental energy boost by clearing out the clutter, and writing down your thoughts, worries, or plans really helps you reduce the stress, the mental fog, and making you feel more relaxed and focused. That clarity frees up energy and keeps you feeling organized and motivated throughout the day. Next up, the most exciting, the cold shower. Now, I know it sounds intense, but trust me, that's incredibly energizing. A cold shower wakes me up, sharpens my focus, and gives me an energy boost that lasts all day. But don't get me wrong, every morning I hear this little voice telling me don't do it. But I push past that because I know how good I'll feel afterwards, and that keeps me going. Cold showers wake up your body by shocking the system. That sudden cold increases your heart rate and blood flow, which makes you feel more alert. Plus, it triggers the release of endorphins, giving you a natural mood and energy boost to kickstart your day. The only thing is, that's tough. Next, I spend about 10 minutes meditating using the Insight Timer app. I just open it and choose a meditation, whether it's free meditation or guided, depending on how I feel and what I need that day. Meditation clears my mind, reduces stress, and helps me stay focused. Honestly, it's been a game changer for keeping mental clarity throughout the whole day. Meditation boosts energy by calming the mind and lowering cortisol, which is the hormone responsible for stress. When you're less stressed, your body conserves energy, leaving you feeling more refreshed. And plus, it sharpens your focus and mental clarity, so you're more energized and ready to take on the day. After that, I grab my Kindle and read for about 15 to 20 minutes. I typically read nonfiction, and what I like to do is focus on areas in my life where I want to improve. Whether it's personal development or personal finance or productivity, I just pick books that will help me grow in certain areas. And reading every day keeps me inspired and sharp. It is an amazing way to gain knowledge and stay ahead. I found that reading helps you grow and achieve your goals by expanding your knowledge and perspective on things. It introduces you to new ideas, new strategies, and new insights that can guide you and inspire you. Learning from others' experiences gives you the tools and information to face challenges and make better decisions at the end of the day. After that, I hit the gym for about an hour. For me, working out is not about just staying fit. It's about mental discipline and mental clarity. Whether it's a quick session or a full workout, It builds both physical and mental resilience, setting a productive tone for the rest of my day. It's also been crucial for managing my emotions. Whenever I go through tough times, I found that exercising provides incredible support. So it's more about mental sanity than anything else. A morning workout boosts your energy by kickstarting your metabolism and releasing endorphins, which leave you feeling awake and positive. It also enhances your focus and productivity since exercise increases blood flow to both your brain and body. Plus, starting the day with a workout gives you a massive sense of accomplishment, motivating you to stay productive throughout the day. And finally, the last step of my routine is having a good breakfast. Fueling my body with a healthy meal is crucial for me to maintain energy and focus. I usually cook 2 or 3 eggs with whole grain toast and a cup of coffee. This breakfast is exactly what I need to fuel my body after the workout and start the day with energy. Because a solid breakfast boosts your energy by giving your body the essential nutrients it needs to start the day. It stabilizes your blood sugar, improves your focus and your concentration. So a balanced meal packed with protein, healthy fats and whole grains provides sustained energy, keeping you alert and productive all morning. Each part of this routine has contributed to my success in different ways. The cold shower and meditation, they help me stay focused and energized. Reading and journaling kept me aligned with my goals and constantly improving on my skills. And working out built discipline, and a healthy breakfast made sure I was physically ready for the day's challenges. By incorporating these habits into my mornings, I created a strong foundation for success. It was not easy at first, but consistency and persistence were what made the difference for me. Now, how can you start tomorrow? Starting a new morning routine can feel overwhelming, but here's a practical way to ease into it. My recommendation is to begin choosing just 1 or 2 elements, like the cold shower and meditation, for example. Focus on those for a few days until they become a natural part of your morning. And then once you're comfortable, gradually add more steps. For example, after a week, you could introduce journaling or a quick workout, and taking it step by step prevents burnout and makes it easier to build lasting habits. Here, consistency is key. Try and track your progress and pay attention to what works and what doesn't work for you. Track your progress and pay attention to what works and what doesn't work for you. You might prefer a different order of activities or need to adjust how long you spend on each one. So customize it to suit your needs. The goal is just to create a routine that fits into your life and supports your goals. So start small, stay consistent and adapt as you go. This way you will build a morning routine that truly sets you up for success. Now you have it. The morning routine that helped me reach my first 100K. Start implementing it tomorrow and watch how it transforms your life. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more content on personal and professional growth and productivity. Let me know in the comments below which part of the routine you're excited to try first, or share your own morning routine tips. I'd love to hear from you on that. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.